In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete an Exness demo account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to exness.com like you usually would. Once from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of your account and logged in successfully. Once from here, you'll be able to see an overview of all of your different demo and real accounts that you have previously created. And then from here, you'll need to go over to the demo accounts over here and then find your specific demo account that you want to delete. Now, once you have found it, it should look something like this. Once from here, you'll simply need to go over here to the three dots over here, click on it like so, and once from here, you'll simply need to click Archive down here. Once from here, you'll be able to see trading account black has been successfully archived. Once from here, it'll be visible inside of the archived, and from here, you can just simply click Hide Accounts like so. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!